right, so today I spent my time here at Manhattan Place Elementary. I had the opportunity to educate our third and fourth grade. It was a combination class. April is Financial Literacy Month, and so it's all about educating, empowering, and inspiring our youth. So I am on my way out. I came here, did what I had to do with our youth. To get this money, we're gonna talk about money today. We're talking about money. Yes, money. Third grade was like my favorite in school. So the same is with math. The same is with money. If you guys learn how to manage it and learn the importance of money, learn how to use money, learn the difference between what you need versus what you want, then you will be able to manage money a lot better than some of us adults, okay? How many of you have conversations at home about money? Do you talk with your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin about money? Do you talk about saving?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a piggy bank?
Yeah.
No? So guess what? What is a need versus a want? What is a need versus a want? Does anybody have any ideas as to what I may be talking about?
It's not necessary to buy it.
Exactly. So she said a want is something that you want. It's not a necessity. It's not mandatory that we have it. To develop money habits, to ask ourselves, do I need this or do I want this? We talked about what is a want. We talked about what is a need as it relates to money. We talked about fixed and variable bills, okay? And I also introduced you to 2 new words.
Fix.
Well, I did introduce you to those, so I introduced you to 6 words today. But the other 2 that I introduced you to, because no one in the room knew them, was asset, and liability. So if you didn't pick up anything else, say the word asset really loud on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Asset.
The next word you learn, say it out loud on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Liability.
All right. So thank you guys so much. I will see you next week.
My name is Miracle, and what I learned about today is you need a job to do stuff like money to pay the bills, and like you need more money to pay payments, car insurance, and that's it. Hi, my name is Jameer. I learned about taxes today. Also, liabilities.
Asset
Asset
and liabilities.
and liability.